YouTube, it's another ride lawnmower. It's an Aries. Good and strong engine. 22 horsepower. No stars. Pretty sure it's carburetor. Need a new battery in the back. Let's see right here. Air in the tires. Alignment. I need a muffler too. Nothing like that. It's all rusty and stuff, so try to replace that. I think I have an extra another more, but I'll replace that. Try to tune it up. I'm gonna have to look on it to see how it plays. So, yeah, I'm currently taking the top off, so I can take this carburetor off right now. So I'll take this stuff off. Get this stuff situated. We'll be back when we have this top off. We done work it down some. Took the carburetor and the intake, the whole throttle, body, or whatever. Took that off. Gonna take that apart. It's all dirty and stuff. Real dirty. Look pretty clean up in there, but this shit dirty in the front, bowl and all that stuff. It's all dirty, so I'm gonna clean this magneto up too. It's all rusty. Better contact, make it run a little better, and clean it up. But we'll be back. We'll crack this carburetor open. We pulled the carburetor off. I'd rather get a new carburetor. It's all rusted at. See how this inside look. Yeah, plenty of water from all this. Yeah, we had a new carburetor. We put the gaskets on there. See, I got a gap right here. I'm about to fill it up. I'm just tightening everything up right now and put it on the mower. It's the old one right here with the old gaskets. We're gonna tighten this up and try to seal it up. We're gonna start it up and change the oil. And I'll change spark plugs and the rest of the stuff. We're gonna tighten this up and we'll be back. All together. Still need to get a battery so we can start it up. Just tighten this little top cover up. Tighten this down. We'll get some alley wrenches. Tighten this up. Go from there. We got it all together now. Hopefully it worked good. So we need to get a battery. So my other one had a new battery in it. So I had to purchase a new battery. And we'll see what it do. Get an update when we start it up around. I'll check the blades and everything. Be back. Alright, we're changing the fuel pump on the stand and the fuel filter, and then we're gonna run it, and then so you got that old gas. I'll show you oh, yellow gas. They probably never mirror change. We got that old gas up in the pump. I guess it sits up in there somehow. Yeah, it's still all up in there. I'll put this new one on. Go from now. Slap this new one on. fuel filter. All this stuff we already had changed the carburetor, put a new carburetor. See how it started up. Take this stuff down. Or just holding the phone. What you gotta do, what you gotta do. Alright, put this up now. So a piece right here go up in this. Take these little covers off. The lines, they still pretty good. Just continue to use these. Put these on there. I need to get a longer screw for this right here. It's like that screw too short. We'll be back when we put this line and fuel filter on. I need both hands to put it in. Be back. Yeah, this is it right here. Put the pump on there, little fuel pump, and put the little filter. Got the new battery up now. We're gonna let it run a little bit so we can change the. We're gonna go and change these spark plugs too. Oh yeah, they're gonna tune it up. But just the other little part right here, I'm gonna lift this down and move these tools up the way and start it up for y'all. Be right back. It's the changing this all on her. Oh, that came off. I didn't make it on claws. Pull it out a little bit. Let's see. Let's find out what's fired. Just got a little bit. It came straight up. This is broke. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, stuck it first. There we go. It's the oil. Got a little gray color to it. Yep. Let that dry real good. Put some fresh oil up in them. I'm gonna change these plugs too. See how these plugs look. Right socket. Okay, right socket. Alright, we got this one right here. Pull these plugs off. See how they look. They look pretty good. I'm gonna just put them back up in there. Me, I don't really change them like that if they still look good. There ain't no point. They all black, oily and stuff. Yeah. Just tell the condition of it. Look pretty good. A little coat to it. Oh, we're going to change it. Just have some new plugs up in her. I don't know the history on this thing, so that's why I just changing everything else. I already cleaned it up. Something too far. Okay. Alright. Get this plug out. See how this one looks. Same thing on this one. It's a little bit darker. Oh, it look the same. Yeah, we're gonna just change them. Just gonna put these plugs back up in here. Screw this one up in there. I like to screw them in there first. Don't cross thread and you mess that. Then you gotta take the head and all this stuff. No time for that. This one is, so we just throw them balls up in there. Set a slant. There we go. The other one still look bad, but it's new, so the other problem we know is something else. Coil issue or something like that. Yeah, we'll be back when we get these, and we're gonna get this off our head. Be back. Yeah, we replaced the fuel filter and changed the oil. I'm pretty good. Still got a few other things, but we'll work hard at this. Let's see. dry it off. It's gonna get back to that dull color. Like it is going. Cut this way. I don't see it leaving. Should give it a minute. We done pressure that shit. Made it look better. A little bit better. It worked though. Put it on this concrete slab. Got a bolted seat on it. And take the bolts loose now. Maybe better. Yeah, we folded the seat. I took them little wood pieces off. I'll just put some bolts on there. Hold it down. See how it fits. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect right there. It's good for me right there. You got to scoot it over and had it room. Now we need to jack it up. See what's up with all this play. And straighten this wheel up. Be back.